This is the Dacia Sandero Mk2, and if the horn doesn't work, there are two most common types of culprits. So if the horn doesn't work when the lights are on, this is a pretty common thing, and the culprit is this switch, so the stalk system. It has a problematic circuit board that may get shorted, and then you need to either replace this stalk, or repair it. Repairing it may be quite expensive, but you can get a replacement stalk for about 30 euros, and you also can replace it on your own by watching a video guide on YouTube. There are plenty of them. So this is the simple fix if the horn doesn't work when the lights are on. If the horn doesn't work at all, there are fuse and relay you may need to check. So the fuse is located here in this interior box. You will need something like the pry tool to carefully open this box. And here you have the blue 15 amp fuse. Focus please. This one. This is the horn fuse. You can change the positions of any other 15 amp fuse with it and check if this is gonna work. So just replace this fuse and check if the horn will be working. And then there is the relay, but unfortunately the relay is not in this box. So let's put the cover back. And let's move to this fuse box. And here in this fuse box, you also don't have any map, unfortunately, but the relay responsible for horn is this one. So replace this relay. I don't think you have any other relay like this, so you'll need to buy it. In case you need the number. Made in Portugal, by the way. So make sure it sits tightly, by the way. And then check if everything works.